The driver on the right in the Honda Pilot is one of the most entitled road ragers that I've ever covered on this channel. She tries to cut off the truck in the right turn-only lane, and then she gets pissed at the trucker when he won't let her. So look what she does. She harasses him for several minutes. She brake checks to a complete stop and holds up lots of traffic. This video comes from a channel called Red Rosie Truck, and this trucker basically captures all kinds of footage on his dash cam of idiot drivers. Definitely worth checking out. He's got a lot of other stuff. But look at this Karen. She holds up the trucker, she holds up all kinds of traffic. Look at all those cars that have to drive around. She definitely needs to lose her license. And I really hope she did, as the trucker did actually call the cops on her. So you could see the light turned green and she's still sitting there.
Holding up traffic!
All the other drivers that have to go around because of this dumb lady. So the trucker does call the cops, and I'm not sure what happens because the video cuts off, but I hope she lost her license. She does not deserve to drive with rage like this. All this because the trucker wouldn't let her cut him off back there.